We need to simplify and write in lowest terms. This 2 fractions n over 5 plus 3 over 4. So our fraction has a variable in it. That's okay. The steps are still exactly the same as what we did before. Our answer might look a little bit different, but we're going to do the same steps. So in order to add fractions, we have to have a common denominator. Our denominators are 5 and 4. And just like we had done before, if you're looking for your least common denominator, one way to do it is to take the biggest number, the 5, and list out the multiples. So 5, 10, 15, and you keep going until you find a number that the other denominator will divide into evenly. So 4 doesn't go into 5 or 10 or 15, but it will divide into 20. So that's our least common denominator. So we're trying to change these 2 fractions to have common denominators of 20. So just like if they were all numbers, we have to think about what would I need to multiply the 5 by to get 20? Well, that would be 4. And if you do it to the denominator, you have to do the same thing to the numerator. 4 times 5 gives me 20. 4 times n gives us 4n. Okay, second fraction, we'll do the same thing. What do we multiply 4 by to get 20? Well, that'd be 5. We have to do the same thing to the numerator. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, now we need to add. When you're adding fractions, remember you're only adding the numerators. But the numerators are not like terms. One of them has an n, one of them does not. So when I add, I actually can't combine them, but I'm going to list them together in my numerator, 4n plus 15. And the denominator, just like before, just stays the same. So we have 4n plus 15 divided by 20. Now this might look very tempting to try to reduce. You might say, well, 5 goes into those, 15 and 20, or 4 goes in there. You can't reduce these because there's an addition problem up here. Okay, if they were being multiplied together, yes, we could reduce. But because of the addition, we can't just start canceling things that might have common factors. So this is your answer. That's as far as it can go.